Why would you even consider making barefoot shoes? There are key elements that distinguish barefoot shoes from traditional footwear. If you do it wrong, there is no point in making barefoot shoes. The first element is a wide toe box. Now, how wide should it be? If you are just focusing on making a wide toe box, you will end up with clown-like shoes. For sure, it will be wide enough, but is it really what you want to do? In my course, I will teach you how to customize standard shoe last for the wide toe box that will fit your feet. Meaning it will be tailored for your feet to have enough space to be considered a wide toe box. Pattern making for barefoot shoes. I will never consider or suggest working on a pre-made pattern, trying to adjust it to my shoe last, just because that will be too much work trying to adjust this pattern for the perfect fit. And to be honest, that is not how it's done. Instead, learn how to make it from scratch. This will give you the freedom to create any design. In my barefoot course, I have created special patterns, a combination of sneakers and casual shoes, something that will work and look great on any foot shape. If you have wide feet or narrow feet, this pattern will be perfectly adjusted for you. That is super important, especially considering the fact that we are working on a wide toe box shoe last. Zero drop heel. If you follow the concept of barefoot shoes, this is one of the important elements, combined with zero cushion and zero support for your feet. And to do that, I will teach you how to customize your standard shoe last for the perfect flat, the zero drop heel. If you want to make barefoot shoes, if one of the elements that I have mentioned is suitable for the shoes that you want to make, take a look at my online barefoot course. It's a full online video shoemaking course with 24 lessons, 31 hours of step-by-step instructions on how to make your barefoot shoes from scratch. See you in my course.